Hello, this is Chris Lawrence, and this is a review for Ahhmazing Monsters Reward and Responsibility Chart. It is a magnetic dry erase board um, for for chores and things like that. This is the back of the actual the product itself. It's kind of got some examples of kind of what you need, what you can do. With the actual board itself. So it kind of gives you a little bit more examples. This is the only place that I could find that actually kind of sort of gives instructions, is just kind of this shot on the back of the actual board itself. I went to the website at kidrocket.com, and there really wasn't anything there that, as far as system wise, to use this board, there was none really given. So I guess, user intuitive. We'll kind of look at that and kind of see how that looks. There's the charts, fairly big, probably about 2 feet across, 1.5 feet tall. You've got a string here. You've got an actual dry erase marker with like an eraser and stuff on it. We've got ours set up. So at the top, we've got 3 children that are old enough that can do chores. You kind of start off. You get some some colors here for your actual stars that you can do. So Theron would have one here, and then Clay, would be green, so that when they're able to complete, they can place their color on the appropriate day. We've got several things that our kids kind of do, so their responsibilities kind of, some of these are pretty easy, like brush your teeth at the beginning and end, do homework, getting dressed, making bed. A lot of these things are, they've been doing for a while, so these are pretty easy. So we kind of stacked them over here, and we actually kind of spilled over into our Monday slot. So we just kind of, help kind of just kind of keep them going. And adding their numbers here, so trying that out for a little bit. One thing that's pretty cool is they can get a target number, so they can see, and they can read that target number so that they can work with numbers. Also too, you've got your rewards here. So so my daughter Aubrey, she can stay up late. So at the end of the week, if she's got enough, then we will let her stay up late. Same with Theron. He'll be able to play on the laptop. He was able to choose that. And then Clay, he gets to watch some TV. So at the bottom, you've got some of these. So it'll kind of help you replace these once you're done with them. Here's some of the other charts. So this is like maybe play on the playground. Let's see, and then we got some allowance probably, and riding your bike outside, ice cream date, food probably somewhere, a ticket to somewhere, so you've got several other things. So you can have a party, say if you're potty training and mom and dad want to throw a party because that was really rough. So anyway, so you've got some different things that you can try out. So again, it's pretty intuitive, but I think maybe a little bit more instructions, I think, from the developers of the product, I think would work okay, because I think there's several ways that you can kind of use it, but base wise, I think they could probably just write that out and put that on their website. I don't think it's really that difficult for somebody that may have a hard time trying to kind of envision kind of what they want to do. Oh, last thing is you've got some write-in ones. So again, there's not really a potty one, but if you're potty training, stuff like that. So this guy, you could write that in right there. So again, the artwork's pretty cool looking. And the kids really like it. So anyway, so far I like it, and hopefully we can continue working with it, and it'll kind of help, be a fun thing that they can kind of do. We've got several charts that we'll switch out every once in a while, so this will be one that we're going to put into the rotation to kind of see kind of what helps the kids and stuff like that. So anyway, that's my review, and I appreciate it. Thanks.